Ever felt like one person's mistake cost everyone? It's a frustrating feeling, right? Well, today we're diving into a biblical story that shows this on a massive scale. It's the story of Achan, a man whose secret sin brought disaster upon an entire nation. After their miraculous victory at Jericho, the Israelites were on a high. God had given them clear instructions. Everything in Jericho was devoted to destruction, and all the gold, silver, and bronze were to go into the Lord's treasury. No one was to take anything for themselves. Simple enough, right? Their next target was a small town called Ai. Confident after their success at Jericho, Joshua sent only a few thousand men to take the city. It should have been an easy win, but what happened was a complete shock. The men of Ai chased the Israelites away, and about 36 Israelite soldiers were killed in the retreat. Joshua and the elders of Israel were devastated. They tore their clothes, put dust on their heads, and cried out to God. "Why did this happen?" they asked. "Why did you let us be defeated by our enemies?" God's answer was chilling and direct. He said, "Israel has sinned. They have violated my covenant, which I commanded them. They have taken some of the devoted things. They have stolen, they have lied, they have put them with their own possessions. That is why the Israelites cannot stand against their enemies." God revealed that there was something devoted to destruction hidden right in their camp. Until it was removed, they would continue to fail. So, the very next morning, a solemn process began. God would identify the guilty party, tribe by tribe, clan by clan, family by family, until the individual was found. The lot fell in the tribe of Judah, then the clan of the Zerahites, then the family of Zimri, and finally, a man named Achan. Joshua looked at him and said, "My son, give glory to the Lord, the God of Israel, and give him praise. Tell me what you have done. Do not hide it from me." Then Achan confessed. He said, "It is true. I have sinned against the Lord, the God of Israel. When I saw in the plunder a beautiful robe from Babylonia, 200 shekels of silver, and a bar of gold weighing 50 shekels, I coveted them and took them. They are hidden in the ground inside my tent, with the silver underneath." Messengers ran to Achan's tent, and just as he said, they found the stolen goods buried in the earth. The items were brought before Joshua and all of Israel, laid out before the Lord. The consequence for Achan's sin was severe. He, along with his family and all his possessions, were taken to the valley of Acre, where they were stoned and then burned. A grim monument to the seriousness of disobedience. It's a tough story, but it carries a powerful message. It shows how one person's hidden sin can have far-reaching consequences, affecting an entire community. It's a stark reminder that our actions, even the ones we think are secret, don't happen in a vacuum. God sees everything, and His commands are for our protection and blessing. Once the sin was dealt with, God told Joshua, "Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged." God then gave Israel the strategy to defeat Ai, and this time, they were victorious. This story teaches us about accountability, the corporate impact of sin, and the importance of obedience. It highlights the holiness of God and the need for purity within His people. What do you think this story teaches us today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more stories from the Bible. See you next time.